How to fix games crashing on PC on Windows 11. Let's get started. At the bottom left corner, you will find this search box. Over there, type in run and then click on it. Now you have to type in sysdm.cpl and then click on OK. Now over here, you're gonna find different options. Head towards the option of advanced, click on it. Under performance, you will find the option of settings. Click on this option of settings. Now over here you will find different options. Go ahead and click on the option of adjust for best performance. Likewise, check in for the option of show edges of screen fonts and then check in for the option of show thumbnails instead of icons. Once you check in for these options, click on OK. Likewise, heading towards next solution, click on the search icon given at the bottom left corner. Over there type in CMD and then click on this option of CMD prompt. Open it. Now over here you have to type in the command prompt sfc /scan now and then press enter. With that, verification process will start. It might take about 10 to 15 minutes, so you have to wait. Once you complete this verification process, you want to restart your computer. So go ahead and give a fresh restart to your PC. And with that, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix games crashing on PC on Windows 11. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.